Iterating over rows in pandas to check the condition. I have the following df in pandas. Call_b should either be filled with true or false values. By default, it is false, but when the first 0 has been seen, the rest of df should be true. The df has over 100,000 rows. What will be the fastest way to set values in call_b equal to true since the first 0 value in call_a appears?
You can use next with a generator expression. This will be more efficient in the case of a large series where 0 appears near the beginning. At user 34833203's NumPy-based solution should be fine for general use.
You can use NumPy's accumulate method of the ufunc logical _or.
Using EQ with CumX.
Using Itemax with LOP for assignment. Using assign. This approach avoids modifying the original data frame.